Gives me Lambo Countach vibes. What's this called? Vector W8 twin turbo. She's a dirty little thing for sure. Don't forget the gear. Well boys, it's a foggy one today. Nice day to be in the house. I'm out here going to this car show. The infamous Cars and Coffee. It's supposed to be the last one of this season. That's why I am going. You guys also love watching car meets, so that's also why I'm going. Reading the ad for the event, I also saw that there's supposedly a 1 of 17 car in the world there. My bike is pretty filthy, so it's not really show condition right now, but it is a little wet out here and kind of dirty, so I'm gonna blame it on that. Alright, well this is supposed to be it. Doesn't look nowhere near as big as the last one. So, I'ma cheat. Go straight in the front this time. I might be able to block the cars, but you ain't gonna block the bike. Wow, what a car that is. To my favorite parking spot.
Nice bike.
Appreciate it. She a little dirty, so I don't know if you can edit that out.
While you're on it, I'm just trying to make like this real.
Oh yeah, you can. You want it from the front?
Just like get on it and look at my record.
All right. Shoot.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'll take it. What's your Instagram or what you got?
It's pretty badass.
Thank you. Yeah, people are always taking pictures, so.
Yeah, that shit is dope, bro.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make a reel, and then like it's just gonna be like a whole conglomeration of like a whole bunch of pictures, like just quickly snapping through.
Okay.
Yeah, that's man, I saw you on the bike. I was like, oh, bro, that picture of that in that reel.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I'll take you out. Yep.
Thanks.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Thank you. All right. Guess I'll make my rounds. Oh, they checked the bike out. Some AMGs. Pay homage to the old school. Oh, check this out. This is crazy to me. It looks like a Hot Wheels car. Old school vet. I don't know what that is. SRT Jeep. Scat. I want to say I caught this one on the highway the other day. Y'all see, I'm gonna post that video up, which will be before this one. So a couple R8s, V8, that's the V10 version. Huracan, GTR.
Especially with the more power now too.
Yeah.
Check out this black GTR. Thank you. Another GTR. Viper. Seen this a few times in person. Bentley, another GTR. It's an old school car. This one was at the last one. Let's go check out this special car over here. Gives me Lambo Countach vibes.
Mike's not as loud as that. No. They're like 1 inch bigger. He still has them.
What's this called? Vector W8 twin turbo. Dang, they got the old school stereo and everything in there. Interesting. This your car? Wow, beautiful car.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome. What is it? Where did they get inspiration for this? Like the Countach or something?
No, it was actually, there's a guy out in California who wanted to design his own supercar. He said, why does it have to be Ferrari or Lamborghini?
Okay.
USA. So he wanted to be a jet fighter pilot. His vision wasn't good enough.
Okay.
So he said, okay, I'll design a car. So it was based on aircraft, aeromotive stuff. Like if you look at the fuel gauge, that's like an airplane would have on a fuel gauge and stuff. So he started this company and designed it from scratch. He only made 17 of them.
Okay. Yeah, I was reading about that. Yep.
So it's his own design. He went to that California design school and a lot of design training.
Okay. Pretty quick.
Yeah.
You be pushing it.
Things that are unusual about it is it's an automatic cranny.
Okay.
Step.
What's the fastest you had it up to?
Only a little over 100 because I'm ready to go.
Okay, okay.
What do you have? What's your bike?
I got a Ninja H2.
What?
I got a Ninja H2.
Oh, okay. I'm not familiar with bikes that much, but a Ninja, I know that's a really wild thing.
So they actually like retroed the original H2.
So styling that looked a little more like.
No, styling is totally different, but they brought the name back.
Oh.
And it's the first supercharged production motorcycle. So,
Supercharged.
yep, it's got a supercharger on it.
Yeah, I like supercharged stuff.
Yeah, they're fun. Yeah, beautiful car. I just thought I would talk to you.
Mine too. This is a one-off.
Yeah, I was looking at this one too. I was wondering what that was.
It's a Z28 chassis from the late 90s.
Okay.
And this company in Serbia, which used to be Yugoslavia, built it. There's a one-off and it's never sold anymore. I saw it at an auction 10 years ago.
Really?
I like rare stuff, and this is one of one.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. This one probably just gets more looks because the look of it, but
People remember, remember when they were kids and they saw them in the magazines and stuff.
mm-hmm. Yeah, man, appreciate you talking with me.
Yeah. Have fun with
I'll shake your hand if you allow me. Thank you. You too, man.
Be careful of other people.
I will, for sure.
Crazy drivers.
Got a little history lesson on the car. Can't beat that. Alright, but this hippie van go crazy though. Come on now. Oh wow, it's a manual too. This thing looks comfortable. Sage,
Hey, how's it going, man?
you made it.
Yep.
What up, bro?
How you doing?
I'm about to leave, but
You out of here?
I'm gonna do a little
Rip around?
do some revs for the YouTube, you know.
I got you, brother.
Alright, y'all know what time it is. Like the lady kind of yelled at me back there. Don't do that. Last one of the year, why not? yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed it.